What is an operating system OS? Before diving into RTOS, let's briefly understand what an operating system is. An OS is software that acts as an intermediary between computer hardware and the computer user. It provides a user interface and controls the computer hardware so that software applications can function. What is a real-time operating system RTOS? A real-time operating system RTOS is a type of operating system designed for real-time applications. These applications require immediate and consistent responses to inputs without any delays. For instance, when airbags in a car are deployed upon impact, they must inflate within milliseconds to protect the passengers. This is where an RTOS comes into play. Key characteristics of RTOS: deterministic behavior. The primary feature of an RTOS is its deterministic nature. It means that the system's response to inputs occurs within a predictable and guaranteed time frame. Multitasking. RTOS can manage multiple tasks simultaneously. It ensures that high-priority tasks are executed before lower-priority tasks. Fast context switching. RTOS can quickly switch between tasks, ensuring that real-time requirements are met. Minimal latency. The time taken by the system to start executing a task after it has been instructed is minimal in RTOS. Priority-based scheduling. Tasks are assigned priorities, and the scheduler ensures that tasks with higher priorities are executed first. Applications of RTOS: automotive systems, airbag systems, anti-lock brakes, and engine control units use RTOS to ensure timely responses. Medical devices, life-critical systems like heart rate monitors and ventilators, rely on RTOS for accurate and timely operations. Telecommunications. RTOS is used in signal processing, mobile communication, and switch controls. Industrial automation, robotics, PLCs, and CNC machines use RTOS for precise control and operations. Consumer electronics, devices like smart TVs, cameras, and gaming consoles may use RTOS for smooth and efficient performance. Popular RTOS examples: FreeRTOS, VxWorks, QNX, RTMS, Micrium. Conclusion: RTOS plays a crucial role in systems where timing and precision are of utmost importance. Its ability to provide consistent and predictable responses makes it an invaluable tool in various industries, from automotive to healthcare. As technology continues to evolve, the applications and importance of RTOS will only grow.